How to delete account on Telegram. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete your account on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. In order to basically delete your account on Telegram, open the Telegram application here. Then tap the three lines option from the top left and then just navigate to settings. Once you navigate to settings, scroll down to the bottom until you see Telegram FAQ and then tap on it. Under Telegram FAQ, you will be able to see a different sort of interface where you have to look for the option called Your Account. Under Your Account, you'll find one of the titles that says, how can I delete my account here? So just go to Telegram FAQ and then just keep scrolling until you see the Your Account section. Tap on delete your Telegram account option that you can find here, and as you do that, at the top you can see how do I delete my account, and you'll find the deactivation page button. Tap on it, and all you have to do is to simply enter your phone number in an international format. So first of all, also make sure to enter your country code over here. Once you enter your country code, go on about entering your phone number, and once you have done that, your Telegram account will get verified and it will get successfully deleted. This way you can actually delete accounts on Telegram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.